Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing exercise 6.3. Before starting that, I'll be explaining few concepts relating to that, and also will show you the questions from this chapter asked in the CBSE board paper 2020. So let's start. Hey guys, this is the CBSE board paper 2020. In this you can see question number 2, question number 21, question number 36 are asked from this chapter. This is the total 8 marks from this chapter only. When you thorough this chapter, you can get total 8 marks. For this, you need to know the basics and the concepts of this chapter, which I already discussed. You can get the link from the description. So now let's start. We shall discuss what is the criteria of similarity of triangles. Let's take two triangles, ABC, DEF. So angle A is equal to D, B is equal to E, same way C is equal to F. I have already discussed that when in two triangles, when all the corresponding angles are equal, that is, if angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and if all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, that is, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF, then I can tell that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is the symbol of similarity. You have already discussed in 9th one more symbol. This is the symbol of congruence. Now we'll discuss few more criteria of the similarity of triangles. First criteria is angle similarity. I'll explain you this with the help of an example. So again, take a triangle. You can see that in these two triangles, the corresponding angles are all equal. If in two triangles, if all the corresponding angles are equal, then I can tell triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. One more example I will give you. This be 40, this be 60. 40, 60. You can see that in triangle ABC only two angles are given, same way in DEF two angles are given. These two angles, corresponding angles are equal. When I apply angle sum property, I get this as 100, same way for this 100, same way all the angles has become equal. Again I can tell by angle similarity, I can tell triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now second similarity, it is SSS similarity. I'll explain you with the help of an example. So again, let's take a triangle ABC DEF, and the sides be 3, 8, 6, this be 4.5, 12, 9. When in two triangles, if all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, then I can tell by SSS similarity, I can tell this triangle is similar to this triangle. So if I check AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. So AB is 3, DE is 4.5, AC is 8, DF is 12, and BC is 6, EF is 9. So when I cancel 3 2s are 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 3 by 4.5 into 10 I get 30 by 45 because points get removed. 5 6s are 30, 5 9s are 45. Same way 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So I am getting 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. I can tell that the corresponding sides are in the same proportion. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SSS similarity. The third similarity is SAS similarity. Let's take an example. You can see this is side angle side. Nothing but side angle side. The angle should be equal and the two remaining sides should be in the same proportion. Here I can tell angle A is equal to angle D is equal to 50 degree. Same way I need to check the corresponding sides. AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. It is 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 1s are nothing but it is 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So angles are also equal and the corresponding sides are also in the same proportion. Therefore, angle ABC is similar to angle DEF. This is by SAS similarity. Now we'll discuss exercise 6.3. The first question state which pair of triangle in figure 6.34 are similar and write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question and also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic form. First I need to tell whether they are similar or not similar, and if they are similar I need to tell which criterion like AAA or SSS or SAS, and also I need to write in the symbolic form like triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is page number 139. You can see the first subdivision. They have given triangle ABC and triangle PQR. I can see that angle A is equal to angle P, same way angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. I can tell all the corresponding angles are equal. So by angle similarity, I can tell triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now second subdivision, ABC and PQR. AB they have given us 2, AC is 3, BC is 2.5, same way they gave 6, 5 and 4. Now I'll explain you this one. If I take triangle ABC and triangle, here you can see AB is 2 and QR is 4, nothing but it is double. So I will be taking QRP, triangle QRP. So I will see whether they are in proportion or not. AB by QR, nothing but AB by QR is equal to BC by RP is equal to AC by QP. You need to write in such a order that you get properly. So AB is what 2 by QR is 4 is equal to BC is what 2.5 and PR is 5, AC is 3 and this is 6. 1s are 2s are, same with 2.5, 1s are 2s are 3, 1s are 3, 2s are. So I get all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Therefore, by side similarity, I can tell triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. Now the third subdivision. When I see in triangle LMP and DEF, I can see 2 and 4 they are in the same ratio, 3 and 6 are in the same ratio, but 2.7 and 5 are not in the same ratio. So this triangle is not similar to this triangle. Now see this. I can see one angle is equal 70 and 70, and 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. Next side 2.5 by 6 is not equal to 1 by 2. So this triangle is also not similar to this triangle. Now fifth subdivision. I can see one angle is equal, angle A and angle F. And you can see 2.5 divided by 5 is equal to 1 by 2. Same way 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. But in this triangle, the angle is here. Actually in SAS similarity, it should be between two sides. But here it is not like that. So I should tell these two triangles are not similar. Same way, triangle DEF and triangle PQR, they have given two angles. Same way, two angles. Now I will be showing the sixth one. They gave two angles. So by angle sum property, 70 plus 80 plus F is equal to 180 degree. So angle F will be 180 degree minus 70 minus 80. So angle F is equal to 180 minus 150. So angle F I got 30 degree. Same way you can see here, angle P plus 80 plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. So angle P is equal to 180 minus 80 plus 30 is 110. So angle P is equal to 70 degree. I got angle P as 70 degree and angle F as 30 degree. So I can tell all the corresponding angles are equal. So by angle similarity, I can tell triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR. Second question says, in figure, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA and angle BOC is 125. So this is 125 and CDO is equal to 70. CDO is 70. Find DOC. DOC means this angle I need to find. DCO. DCO. This I need to find. OAB. OAB. This one I need to find. So first we'll write given. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. When two triangles are similar, I can tell all the corresponding angles will be equal. So I can tell angle O will be equal to angle O. Nothing but DOC is equal to AOB. Then angle D will be equal to angle B. Angle C is equal to angle A. Now we need to find DOC, DCO and OAB. So now we'll start. So the first one is DOC. To find this angle, can I see this is a straight line? So by linear pair, can I find this angle? So angle DOC plus 125 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. So angle DOC is equal to 180 minus 125. It is 55. So DOC is equal to 55. Now next I need to find DCO. Nothing but DCO. In this triangle I can see one I got 70 degree and one I got 55. The other I can find by angle sum property. So in triangle DOC I can tell 70 plus 55 plus angle DCO is equal to 180 degree because of angle sum property. So 70 plus 55, 125 plus angle DCO is equal to 180 degree. Angle DCO is equal to 180 minus 125. So angle DCO is also 55 degree. Now next angle I need to find OAB. OAB. In the given itself they gave triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA and I told angle C is equal to angle A. So angle C, nothing but DCO I got 55. So angle A is also will be 55. So angle OAB is equal to 55. Why? Because this triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. So we got all three angles. So we need to write the summary. DOC is equal to 55. Same way DCO is equal to 55. Angle OAB is equal to 55. The third question says diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. Using similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. The same type of sum we have did in exercise 6.2 using BPT theorem, but in this sum we need to use the similarity criterion. So first we'll draw the diagram. ABCD trapezium. They told AB is parallel to DC and the diagonals will intersect at O. So write given AB is parallel to DC to prove OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Proof. Now they have given OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Nothing but I need to take this triangle and this triangle. When I see this is the parallel lines, so I can tell this angle will be equal to this angle. Why? Because alternate angles are equal. Same way I can tell this angle will be equal to this angle. Alternate angles are equal. This will be equal to this. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. So I need to take in triangle AOB and you need to write the name of the triangle in proper order. If I write AOB, then which angle is equal to A? It is C. So write first C. Angle O is equal to angle O. Okay, O. Then angle B is equal to angle D. Write D. Now analyze. So let's keep this angle be 1, 2 and 3. Same with this, and this is equal to 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So I can tell angle 1 is equal to angle 1. Why? Because alternate angles are equal. Same way angle 2 will be equal to angle 2. Same alternate angles are equal. And angle 3 will be equal to angle 3. Nothing but this is means angle 3 of this triangle and angle 3 of this triangle. This is of this triangle and these are this triangles. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So I can see all the corresponding angles are equal. So by angle similarity, I can tell triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Now, when two triangles are similar, I can tell their corresponding sides will also be in the same proportion. So, take the two proof OA by OC. So, mark OA and OC. Same way OB and OD. OB, OD. So, now write like OA by this side and this side OC, and same way OB this side and this side is equal to OB. So we got two proof. So hence proved. This sum completes here. The rest of the sum I'll continue in the next video. I hope you understood the today's concept and sums. Do like, comment and subscribe and share this with your friends and spread the knowledge. Thank you. Jai Hind.